Hello everyone. Yeah, today I'm gonna talk in English, make a video in English, and what I want to talk about today is why is it so damn hard to close a Captain of Crush gripper number 3. So all of us who are interested and very passionate about strength sports know those grippers, and we all know how hard they are to close. And for some of us, it is sort of a lifetime goal to get to a COC number 3 close, but probably the most of us will never ever reach this goal, especially not if you're not, well, juicing, if you're not taking any steroids or stuff like that, because it's so damn hard, and the probability is so low that you are one of those people, one among this very small circle of people that are able and were able to close a Captain of Crush a number 3. And what I did is I said, okay, actions speak louder than words, but numbers can also sometimes speak louder than words. And what I did is I went to the ironmind.com website and I counted all those people that are listed on the certification lists, and I counted how many of them what's the number? How many did officially achieve a COC number 3 close? And that's 280 persons. Of course, all of them are men, so women are not really among them, because it's physically simply not possible for women to close a COC number 3, at least for now. Nobody knows what will happen in the future, but at least for now, this is not something in the realm of, a female's mind or something like that, okay? So we have 280 males who officially achieved a COC number 3 close, and when you say, okay, we have an estimate world population of 7 billion, which is this large number here, then the score means the percentage is 0.000004%. And I mean, okay, you could say, well, if it's not a women's thing, then why don't you just halven the world population and say, okay, we have an estimate world population of 3.5 billion men. Well, I could have done this, but this would not really dramatically increase the percentage. This would just mean that you have then 0.000008% of the male population that achieved this feat, and therefore I said, okay, I make it as simple as possible, and estimates really say that we are over 7 billion right now. So just a little number game here, just to make it clear for you that it is very extremely difficult to achieve this feat of strength, and to be among those 280 people, or to become the next one, means the number 281 is very hard, because it means that only 40 people of 1 billion people, only 40 men of 1 billion people have achieved this kind of lift. And if you go by the number of 5 billion, for example, you are only at a count of 200 men who achieved this feat of strength. It is a personal goal of mine to be one day among those guys, but I also know how hard it is, and therefore I just wanted to show you a small statistics that shows you that it is very difficult to achieve this in a lifetime. This is something you achieve after a couple of years of hard and intense training with different training regimes. You have to do some bodybuilding stuff, you have to do some powerlifting stuff, you have to do some cardio, maybe you have to do some martial arts, whatever, you know. And it is very extremely hard to even close a number 1.5, to be honest. I'm still at the very beginning. I I'm almost about to close the number 1, and I kind of feel embarrassed right now because I say my goal is to close the number 3, and I wouldn't consider myself to be a weak guy. It's rather the opposite, but that's how it is. I'm really telling you, there's still half a centimeter between the two handles, touching each other, and it's very hard to achieve any closes of those captains of crush grippers. So I went there and said, okay, you are a sportive guy, you do sports all your life, you have some experience in combat sports, you have some experience in bodybuilding, some experience in powerlifting, but I still couldn't close the number 1.5, and I'm about to close the 1, but still do not really close it. So that goes to show you how much effort you need to put in to achieve any of those closes. And that's just numbers that I put out here because people always say, okay, it's so difficult and it's so rare that you are among those guys, but nobody has really shown us any statistical examples or any math considering their thoughts. So that's why I made this Excel sheet, and yes, I'm showing you just what I discovered. I hope this video was interesting for you. Sorry if my accent disturbs you, but that's the way it is. And don't be irritated by those dots between the thousands, because I'm from Germany. That's how we separate the thousands from each other. Okay, so yeah, I hope the video was interesting for you, and see you soon.